Yes guys, big up on yourself wherever and watch from. Yeah man, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Roxborough. Yeah man, right now I am at Roxborough. It's a museum in Manchester. Yeah man, so guys, right now I'm gonna try giving you a tour. I wanted to give you guys an overhead footage of the compound, but guys, however, I am not getting any phone signal around here to, lift up the drone. So guys, when you stick and stay and watch what I go on that journey. Guys, when I go know certain things about Jamaica and when I go learn something about the culture. So big up on yourself wherever I watch from. So welcome to Roxborough guys, birthplace of the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley. Property owned and operated by Jamaica National Heritage Trust and agencies of the Ministry of Youth and Culture. So guys, I'll be taking a tour. And yes guys, so today I want to big up my daughter. Today is her birthday. Yes, so guys, help me wish my daughter happy birthday. Happy birthday. I hope you live to see many more. Daddy love you. All right.
Thank you.
Good. So all right guys, so guys, here it is. Yeah man, Roxborough is a site of the birthplace of the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, QC MM BA BCL LLD. He's a national hero, born July 4th 1893, died September 2 1969. Mission accomplished. The house was destroyed by fire in March 15, 1968. All right, so we have some ancient buildings up here. So guys, this is the exhibition room, but it is closed. So I am taking a tour of the compound. Right here we have a nice view guys. Very nice view. Guys, trust me, over here is really nice. Over here is cool. The climate is so nice. Fire read, big up yourself, And yes guys, as you can see, that's a very old building. Guys, there's not much to see, but trust me, over here bring back a lot of memories. When you come places like these and you read about this and that, it brings back a lot of memories. All right, brings back a lot of memories guys. So right now I'm just walking around showing you guys what the place is like. And as you can see, the walls, they are stone walls. It's look to me like some wackle and darb. Yes man. Yes guys, so see they have 6 graves down there. So in here is
I want to that never see me get him if him let the key anyway that me can.
okay guys, so here is the map basically. Yes man, so you can scan here and you can scan here for the the location, and you can scan here for the app. So they have 2 things you can scan for. You can scan for the app to explore, and you can scan to come here. So Roxborough is the birthplace of your right excellence Norman Washington Manley, a national hero of Jamaica, outstanding lawyer and statesman, founding member of the People's National Party and former premier. Born on July 4th, 1983, Norman was the first son of produce dealer Thomas Albert Samuel Manley and postmistress Margaret Ann Marley, nee Shearer. The couple, who got married in 1890, already have 2 daughters, Verna and Muriel. Guys, trust me, Verna and Muriel, no disrespect, a long time name them there, guys. Yeah, man. And were later to have a second son, Roy. The property was originally a coffee plantation. However, by the end of the 1850s, Roxborough was converted to a pasture. The first known owner of Roxborough was Adam Lothar in 1812. Up to 1845, the owners of the property included George Clow, John Gray, Daniel Vertue, Adam Hogg and J. Lee Logie Lewis. In 1882, Thomas Manley was recorded as the person in charge of the property. He later acquired a portion of the land after his death in 1899. Life became increasingly hard for the Manley family at Roxborough. Margaret Manley eventually sold the property at Roxborough and moved her family to Belmont, St. Catherine. So guys, yeah man, you see it? You know the history little by little, guys. So right now, I read out the thing to you, so you know what go on and you know what did go on in Jamaica in the 18th century and all of them time there. So right now, I'm going to read the last part, make you get it, The house at Roxborough was a simple structure built of timber and Spanish walling. It had a pitch roof and comprised 3 rooms. One on the right side of the main house was a semi-detached brick kitchen, which had a central fireplace and 2 ovens. In the 1968, the house was destroyed by fire. The ruins of the original house are still visible. So guys, over here is still visible. At the site are also 5 relocated graves of some members of the Manley family. Most of the graves were unmarked at the time of the relocation. So guys, those are the graves I just show you down there. In the 1976, the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, JNHT, legally acquired the house and culture of approximately 3 acres from the Kaiser Bauxite Company. Roxborough was declared a national monument in October 1, 1992 by JNHT. All right, guys. So guys, those are the graves I just read about. Those are the graves of some of the Manley family. Some of them are unmarked. So guys, this is the museum, the exhibition center. So right now, the man which is over here, his nephew is the one that, you know, caretake the land, so, or the place over here. So he is not here now, so his uncle is here. So his uncle cannot find the key to open the exhibition point so that we can view some of the old stuff in there. All right guys, so sorry about that, and probably I'll do a second video if necessary, so I can come and show you the stuff that is in the exhibition point. All right, so guys, right now I'm not gonna really keep the video too long. Yeah man, so I want to know though guys, I want to know, like, comment, share and subscribe guys. Wanna tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, see it there. Let me go now a last view of the place. Yes guys, Roxborough Museum. It has some nice views. All right, come, time to go. So yes guys, this is the front part of the lawn. So alright guys, as I said, here is where I will end this video. Yeah man, don't forget, you know, to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Yes man, right now I want to tell me in the comment section when you learn about Roxborough Museum today. Big up on yourself.